Stockfy is a Chrome extension that helps you find listed companies while you browse the internet. So it works basically as any other Chrome extension. You have this little button here with the Stockfy logo. We have two options here to highlight companies and show the panel. We're gonna enable both, and we need now to update the page. As any other Chrome extension have some technical limitations, so this project is basically all this visual part, basically only HTML and CSS. So you cannot use something like, for example, Jinja, that's like a chain dynamic page. So we need to actually refresh the application every time. It's a technical limitation basically of every Chrome extension. And when I do that, they're gonna work highlighting every company in the page. For example, this one that I selected already have two in the headline. And if I hover my mouse over, it's gonna show me some information about the company. For example, the name, the stock symbol, the current price, the market cap, and also an option to favor. I'm gonna comment a little later. If you see here, I have another panel, and as the other function that highlight, they're gonna read all the pages and give me here a list of all the companies that they found in the page. For example, here they found six companies. Embraer, Lockheed, and you have another informations here. And if I, for example, click on these companies, you're going to scroll down to the parts of the page that have this company. And here you have two buttons, one to check info and one to favor. If I click the first one to check info, you're going to open another tab, and they're going to send me to the Yahoo Finance with all the information about the specific company. So this helped me, for example, to deepening my research of any topic that I want. And going on to the other function, you're going to identify, for example, Paramount. And if I click for now in favorite, they're going to say that I'm not logged in. So all this function here that I'm showing, this is built on a client side, so it's not connected to a server. But we have also a server, this one running Flask, that have some more functionalities that you can use. For that, you need to log in. So now you have these two options here to log in and to register. Let's do an account very quickly here. So CS50x 123, a very strong password. And if I do right, they're gonna log in. So let's refresh here. And now they say that I'm logging in with the CXX account. Going back to the favorite function, if I favorite, they're gonna say that it's safe. Let's find here if I had another company here to Warner Brothers, for example, here. And coming back to the little panel here, I have some more info. So now we have a list of my favorite companies. Also have a button to go to the Yahoo Finance to see more information. And if I refresh the page, when I do that, they will change the color. So now my favorite stocks gonna be in this red salmon color, so I can as easily identify them. So this was basically the project. Here you can log out. All this information about the client side, the stocks, the shorter panel are stored now in a server, in a database. So we have just two parts of the project, one in the client side for the info showing the page, the highlighting, in other ones for the client information, for the favorites, they actually use a server. This decision was deliberate because I wanted to don't necessitate constant server connection to highlight the companies here. But you have these two parts of the site. So thank you very much for the attention. This was my project. I'm gonna link here down below my other projects related to CS50. And thank you very much.